Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Allwell, and I'm going to give you an overview on how to create a website using the new Google Sites. So we'll start off here on the Google homepage. Just press our tic-tac-toe and find where it says Sites. Okay, for me, it's located in the lower left-hand corner, but for you, it may not be. You might need to click More to find this option. So when you do find it, you click on Sites, and then it automatically takes you to the old Google Sites. But to be honest, old Google Sites is a little bit of a pain to use. So we'll just click here in our left-hand column, New Google Sites. Okay, so now it takes me to sites that I've made before. We're not really worrying about that right now. What we're going to do is we're going to click a new site, and we'll run through how to do it. So you click the little red circle with the plus sign in it, and it automatically takes you to your own building tool to build your own website. Now, the first thing I like to do, okay, is enter a name. Okay, we're going to give our name, give our site a new name. I'm going to call this Test Site. And then when I press Test Site, it changes the name up here. Okay, your page title, we'll just say Mr. Allwell's Test Page. Okay, so this is just your regular old-fashioned text box, and this is default theme and default setup. Now it has a header, and then your bottom part here, you can have an extended large banner. Okay, so it takes up the whole page. You can have just a regular banner, or you could have basically title only. Homepage should have a little bit of something here, so we'll do large banner, and I'm going to show you some tools. Okay, it automatically puts you onto the insert. You can insert additional text boxes, you can put in images, you could upload documents, you could put in stuff from your Google Drive, you can put stuff from YouTube, and you can put your Google Docs in here as well. So for here, we'll just be a little silly and we'll put in a video. Why not, right? So click on YouTube, and YouTube pops up here, and we'll just type in crazy teacher. I know it's not going to pull up pics of me, but let's see. Let's find something really short. Okay, a minute. Here we go. My crazy teacher dancing on a stool. Okay, so I've seen this before, so I know it's okay. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, if I wanted to, I could preview it here. Okay, I don't need to preview it. I just see it's a crazy teacher dancing. So I press select, and now it's on our page. And if I'm like, well, I want people to see it when they come on the page, what happens here? Well, you have two options. Either A, you can click here and then change your header type and have it just be a smaller banner so people can see it. Or you can keep it that way, and you could actually move the video. So say if you want the video up here, beautiful, okay? And let's just say you wanted folks to know where you are. You can enter a map in here. So if I wanted people to know that I'm in at Timberlane, I'll just type in Timberlane Middle School. Here we go. Click on it. Press select. And now I can easily put in my location. If I wanted it up there, I can put it up there. If I wanted it down here, whatever you want. You can place these basically almost anywhere you want. Okay. You can change the size of things. Okay. You can make it as big as you want, small as you want. You change your mind, just delete it. Okay. So say if I wanted to take this picture, put it back down here, and I wanted to make it larger. Okay. Okay, we can do anything we want here. All right. And so we change our mind, want to put it back, no problem at all. Okay. Now, as you could, I'm going to let you guys just play around with this, but just so you know how to change themes and how to create new pages. Okay. Now, when you create a new page, it's basically like a new tab. Okay. So we already have our home page. Say if I wanted to create a new page, say about interests. Okay. Press new page and I put in Mets. Okay, so I'm going to have a page. And we see home and Mets. Okay. Now, say I want to have another page about the Giants. And another page about the Devils. Okay, now I have, you see up top here, I have my home page, stuff about the Mets, stuff about the Giants, stuff about the Devils. Okay. And I could change themes of the pages. Okay. Okay, by clicking the different themes here. Change fonts, or colors, I should say. All right, but when you change one, you change it for all. So once you build these pages, you can click back on Insert, and then you can enter whatever you want. Say you want to put a text box in, you can go ahead and do that, and then you can move the text box around. No problem there. You can make it bigger, wider. Okay, so we'll just say, let's make it smaller actually, and then we'll see, I want to have a nice text box for the classes to see. This is what I came up with. All right, and then you can do whatever you want to this. You want to change text, you want to change the type of text, whether it be title, heading, subheading, you want to make it bold, italicized, arrangement, if you want to have it justified left, justified right, centered, numbered, bulleted, say if you wanted to make a word, a web link, or if you just change your mind and you want to get out of it, delete. Okay, so you can just play around with this so much. It is so customizable. So what I'm going to do is I'll just show you a quick one that I made. Back out of here. All right. Okay, just for example, 6th grade social studies, which you guys are obviously in. And here I made a quick website. This took me 5 minutes to do, and I get a page for each unit of study that we do. And if I wanted to, I could embed documents, or I can embed pictures about these different regions of the world that we study. So it gives you a little understanding of different uses for this. So we want you to play around with this. We want you to have fun. We want you to enjoy. We want you to be creative. And if you get stuck, ask 3 than me.